Hello and welcome back to the channel. So we're staying with unusual practices in Africa, which the Africans are falsely describing as religion or Christianity. So of course in Africa, when Nigeria leads, the others follow. So this time we're going to South Africa and we're seeing how they're doing it there. So I will play you this clip and then we'll come back and we'll discuss it some more.
We are not on the sexual pornographic activity or displaying men and women naked. It's not about proving a point what I can get an erection now a mommy can feel. No, it's not about that. It's about you need to look at each other, nichelane the way nithandana ngakhona. Nikhumbuzane the way nithandana ngakhona. Jesus, you gave me power.
Jesus, you gave me power
over all the power of the devil. I can stand against any animal that separates me with my partner, with my wife, with my husband. In your name. Marriage is honored. You devil, you are not welcome. You are not honored. In this marriage. It's for us. I can feel you. Ngiyakuzwa. Ngiyathanda. Now, ngifuna ukuthi nitshelane the way nithanda.
I love you, my husband.
Iphenga amakhono. So share. All right. Ibrahim Diakona. I want to show you their brain. In the name of Jesus Christ, Lord, I release the anointing. I release the power. In the name of Jesus.
So there you saw in that clip a couple obviously looking for the fruit of the womb or something, and the pastor now present in where activities take place praying for the couple. So now you see the sort of prayers that is going on there, and you can see for yourself what is going on there. So now, what is this that we are seeing now coming out of this whole structure and this whole system? Because it's an increasing cause of concern. It is something that we have recited on this channel before, and it is a topic really that we're going to go back to again almost certainly, because it's a topic that is agitating the minds of people, and obviously what agitates the minds of people is something that we have to talk about. So what is the conversation around what we have just seen? Because I would like you to describe it to me so that I am clear that I have just seen what I just saw. So let's have conversations about what we just saw in the comment section. But before we go have that conversation in the comment section, click on the subscribe button so it goes from red to gray, the bell notification so you are notified as soon as I drop a video. Haven't done both, join me in the comment section to tell me what you saw. I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, and I'll say peace.